Hi, I'm Erica from Mama's Mission, and we're about to unbox our Princess Preschool Disney Side box. So here we go. You ready?
Yeah!
Yeah! What's in here? We've got our Disney Side Hostess kit.
I got that one.
What's that one?
It's his book.
Let's see what we got in here. Disney Bingo. Pin the smile on Mickey. Do you want to play this one later? Yeah. Look, what's this? Sophia coloring book. Oh, we get to make Mickey Mouse cake. Okay, she's all into the coloring book. What's this?
That one, the sticker.
Sophia stickers. Very good. And we got, look, cake mix. We're going to make some Duff tie-dye cake. Hold on. Oh, look at Annabelle. She's all in the toys and stuff that we got. What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know. Oh, vacation planning DVD. Do you want to go on vacation to Walt Disney World?
I want to go and Mickey and Minnie.
You want to go see Mickey and Minnie. Okay. And Sophia tablecloth, table decorating kit. Look at that. For the party. Isn't that cool? Yeah.
It's in my party.
Yes, it's for in your party. Snack bowls. We're going to put snacks.
For my party.
It's for your party, yes.
It's for my party, yeah.
You want to make cupcakes?
For my party.
Yes, everything's for your party. And we've got placemats.
It's for my party.
And for your party. And
It's for
lip
my
gloss.
party. It's for my party.
What is this?
It's for my party.
What is it? Nail polish?
It's for my party.
For your party. Everything's for your party. And we've got some nail files. We're going to do your nails? Yeah. Some whisk. Oh, we've got tea. We're going to make a tea party. How about that? You want to do a Princess Sophia tea party? Hey, Princess Sophia tea party? Yeah. And that one. What are these? Crowns? For all your friends? Yeah.
The plate.
Oh, we've got plates too. These are very cool. Who's that? Sophia plates. And we've got Cinderella buttons. Sophia napkins. Puzzle. Snack pails. You're still playing with a toy over there. Cups. Look, we got a friend. Palace Pets. What else do we got? We've got Sophia snack bags. And sprinkles. And more pails. And what's this? Oh, looks like this is for the guests. And they can enter to win an HP printer or Chromebook. Looks like printer paper, picture paper.
I got that.
Complimentary luggage tags. And Doc McStuffins, party goods, little thingy-majiggies. What are they called? You know what they're called?
Party bags?
Party bags? But they're not a bag. They're a box. Goodie bags. Mr. Ribbon barrette maker. So I guess we'll be making some barrettes as well. What do you got there? Let me see. Oh, you got stuff. That's what you got. Hold on. You got paper clip stuff. Now you got a paper clip in your hair. Chore charts. Oh, just in time to start chores for you, Emily. What do you think?
Ow.
Ow! That's what you think? Let me see. Come here. There you go. What's this? What's that? Sophia wands. Is that cool? And the very special. Who's gonna come to the party? Mickey Mouse. Yeah? Did you have fun? Are we gonna have a fun party? Are we gonna have a fun party? Silly goose. Annabelle, are we gonna have a fun party? You wanna hang out with Mickey Mouse? You wanna give Mickey a kiss? Ah! Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the Preschool Princess Disney Side Party Kit, and we can't wait to host our very own party. Have a good one. You're stuck?